Friend Story is one of the popular features on Instagram and other similar apps like WhatsApp, Snapchat, etc. Your uploaded story will remain only for 24 hours. After that, it will automatically get disappeared. Later, after few days, you may like to revive your old favorite moments shared on IG story. So, is it possible to view or find or recover your old Instagram stories? Well, yes, you can easily recover your old Instagram stories from your Instagram app itself. Let's check out how to do. Let's start and follow the step-by-step guide. First, open Instagram, then click on Profile. Now, head to the three lines in the top right corner. Here you can see many options like Settings, Your Activity, Archive. So click on Archive option. Here you will get all your archived posts and stories. Select Archive Stories option from the drop-down menu to see all your expired and old Instagram stories. Or if you want to recover your old archive posts or live videos as well, you can do these same steps. From here, you can watch your old stories by just a single tap. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Also hit the like button and comment down below if you have any doubt.